Welcome back. A new series. 1, 2, 3. What you think you know, but it ain't so. What you think you know, but isn't so? How come? What is this? It's a phrase from Mark Twain, an American writer, a very famous person, very enlightened, very important for global civilization. And he's the one who was supposed to say, if all you have is a hammer, you only look for nails. So what is this about? One of the big problems in life is people can't understand abstract concepts. You think you know, but it ain't so. Let's put the pieces of the jigsaw puzzle together, and when we connect the pieces, everybody's going to say, I knew it all the time. It was obvious. This is called hindsight bias. After it happens, everybody says, I knew it. I knew it. Hindsight bias. But when you observe people, they're clueless. They have no idea of all the biases of neuroscience, of blind spots, of their fixations and frustrations. It's all invisible, it's inside, it's hidden. It's not a thing that you can touch. Their concepts, their triggers. They move you, they provoke you, they agitate you, they make you do things that you're not aware of. They make you say things that you regret later on. They take you into directions and you think, how did I get here? Why did I do this? So this is the invisible world of triggers, of biases. Okay, you think you know, but it ain't so. So, you think you knew it all along. But in reality, why do people say that? Because they want to be on the winning side. I knew this team was going to win. It's my team. When the team loses, no one talks about it. You ignore it. When it wins, we all talk about it. When something happens, you had no idea. You ignore it. And after ignoring all these things for so many years, people have become completely and totally blind to what's happening. And when something important happens, they want to show that they don't have their back turned towards reality, towards what's going on, towards the rest of the world. So they say, I knew it all along. It's called playing pretend. Simon says, all these games, so that you look smart and you don't look stupid. Everybody's trying to avoid looking stupid, and everybody's trying to show that they're smart. Why is this necessary? Because the modern, urban, industrial, consumer, capitalist, Western society is based on comparison. I'm better than you. I'm bigger than you. I'm greater than you. I'm more powerful than you. So we perceive that it's transactional. It's me against you, you against me. I'm putting you down, I'm putting myself up all the time. My culture, my country, my religion, my God, I'm putting everything up and everybody down. This is what's going on. This is the game that people are playing. I'll say it again. This is the game that people are playing without knowing. Just they've been involved in this system, transactional system, where we are better, everybody else is worse. We are higher, everybody else is lesser. We are more, and people are nobodies. So this has created a mentality where people think they know, but in reality, they're just blurting, vomiting, regurgitating what everybody is doing. Copying. It's called copycat mode. It's called piggyback. You're always following the herd mentality. Everybody's saying it, everybody's doing it, so am I, because I don't want to get left behind. I don't want to show people that I'm clueless. Because when the last person leaves the room and switches off the light, he's in total darkness. So nobody wants to be the last one out. Everybody wants to be the first in because they think that first in is the best. First gets machine gun. Because you haven't studied the terrain. You don't know what you're entering into. When the women get together and start gossiping and then their grandmothers and aunts come and they say, oh, somebody got married. All the women enter in panic. No. I'm going to get married too. I'm thinking about it. I already have plans for this and that and whatever. Everybody panics. And they start blurting out that I'm in. It's complicated, but people behave in a very, very credulous, innocent way. When somebody says things that are triggers, you pull the trigger, the transactional phrase, someone got married. Everybody else who's not married in the late 20s, in the 30s, they panic. What's the problem? You don't have to marry. You don't have to have kids. Try to be healthy, try to be smart, and try to be happy. And things happen to healthy people, smart people, and happy people. But if you're anxious and worried and comparing and competing, it's not going to happen. How come? So, I've been trying to explain this for over 40 years. No one understood. Until YouTube, the AI algorithm. Still, there are many people watching YouTube or even YouTubers who have no idea of what it is, what we're talking about. There is something there, listening, watching, getting to know you, everything that you're saying, everything that you're doing, all the buttons that you're pressing is being processed. And then things happen. Okay? You're fixing things, and basically you're fixing yourself. You're working on things, and you're working on yourself. And when you start saying the right things, doing the right things, fixing what really needs to be fixed, the AI algorithm says, hallelujah, now I got it. let me do the rest. Okay? And in the same way, when you're positive and you're doing the right thing and you're being nice, kind, and gentle and fixing yourself and removing the triggers so you don't shoot yourself in the head or in the foot. Stop being transactional and putting people down, and stop putting yourself way up there trying to be an imposter. Just be yourself, authentic, fixing yourself, working on yourself, creating a better life. And the cosmic algorithm connects with you because you're not moving around, you're not creating dust, you're not creating mud in the water. You're just relaxed, and it can connect with you. And this cosmic AI algorithm is something which is very, very powerful. Some people call it God, good. Some people call it Father because they're orphans. Some people call it my religion. And then they start killing and demeaning and depreciating and becoming transactional all over again. And this AI cosmic algorithm gets very, very annoyed when you use its name and its energy and say bad things and do bad things and take from other people what is theirs and not yours. And so good things don't happen, bad things happen, because this AI cosmic energy, cosmic force is not something that you spit on or step on or use and abuse. We must have respect. Why? This life force, cosmic energy, has created the universe. Millions and millions of galaxies, suns with planets revolving around without crashing into each other. Planets with moons going round and round without crashing into each other. All kinds of energies, waves, frequencies, vibrations, connections. Now that we have Wi-Fi, people still haven't got it. You connect with someone without cables on the other side of the world instantly. If we people can connect to each other around the world instantly, imagine connecting to a cosmic mind, a cosmic force. However, when you think you know, and it ain't so, because what you know about is something that maybe you can do. Fix the car, cook, clean the house. What else do people know? They study one little thing. The dentist fixes the teeth. That's it. What does he know about people? What does he know about relationships? What does he know about prosperity, success, about health? He's just dealing with teeth. Sports stars, what do they know about Rolex watches and houses by the beach? And actresses and actors, Hollywood stars, what do they know about life, success, happiness? Most of them have had horrible lives, horrible experiences. All people have to do is investigate who's who, what have they done, where are they now? So instead of being fixated, fascinated, and fooled by people that are imposters and call themselves famous and stars and important and divas and all that, connect directly to the source. We will talk much more about the source in the next video. Please subscribe, help us, because what I'm trying to do here is really important and takes a lot of courage and a lot of desire on my part to help people, because this is really, really valuable information. Thanks for watching, and come back to watch the next video.